Open the image in Photoshop and after that copy the layer. Now go to the select and subject. Keep the processing. Subject is selected. Now masking the layer. Take a new layer for the text. Take a text tool. Give your text whatever you want. Follow the process. Yeah, bring it aside. Yeah, now right click on the text, select pixels, Ctrl C for the copy and Ctrl D for the deselect, and delete this layer after. Yeah, delete this. Okay, take a new layer, go to the filter and vanishing point. Give the square point of vanishing 4 points of square. Follow the process. Yeah, as like it is. Now Ctrl V for the paste your text. Yeah, bring it in. Ctrl T for the customize your text. Custom your size whatever however you want. Yeah, follow the process as like it is. Yeah, after that hit OK. Now go to the blending option of the text layer. Yeah, press Alt for spread the point. Yeah, press Alt and spread the point. Follow the process. Approximately point is accurate. Hit OK. Now your text is ready. You can put it anywhere you want. Yeah, as it is. Thanks for watching this video. Follow Alpha Graphics 17 for new inspiration and motivational designs and tutorials.